Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video gallery on Webflow. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple videos directly on your site, making it more interactive and keeping your visitors engaged without sending them off to YouTube. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard where you can manage all your projects and sites. From here, select the site where you want to embed your YouTube video gallery and click Open in Webflow. If you don't have an existing site ready, you can create a new blank site to work with. Once you're inside the Webflow editor, look towards the upper left side of your screen where you'll find the sidebar. Click on the plus icon, which opens up the Elements panel. This is where you can add various components to your site. In the search bar that appears, type YouTube and click on it. This will allow you to insert a YouTube video element directly into your design. Now, here's where things get interesting. Open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to YouTube. Find the video you want to embed and copy the video link from the address bar. This link is essential as it tells Webflow exactly which video to display on your site. Switch back to the Webflow editor and locate the URL field in the YouTube element settings. Paste the link you just copied into this field and press Enter on your keyboard. This is a crucial step to enable the video to load immediately on your canvas. You'll see the video appear right there in your editor, giving you a preview of how it will look on your live site. While you're in the settings, you can also enable the Start At option if you want your video to begin playing from a specific timestamp rather than from the beginning. This is particularly useful if you're embedding a long video but only want to highlight a certain section. Next, navigate to the Playback section within the YouTube element settings. Here you have some additional control over how your video behaves. You can check the mute option if you want the video to play without sound initially. This is often a good idea for autoplay videos as many users prefer not to have audio start automatically. Speaking of which, you can also check the autoplay option if you want the video to start playing as soon as someone lands on your page. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video on your Webflow site with customized playback settings that enhance the user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.